Sound test as we're going to have a sound test for the Fender Blues Junior 30th anniversary. So now we're going to put the reverb on 6 o'clock, or 12 o'clock, and the master volume to 12 o'clock, and the volume to 12 o'clock. Bass 12 o'clock. Mostly of all of it is 12 o'clock. So this is it. So we're going to lower the master volume. Maybe the neighbors will wake up. We'll push the volume all the way up. No, just 3 o'clock. And the master to number 2 only. So we'll push the volume to like the maximum. But the master volume will just be on number 2. And the reverb will put on the maximum. Middle pickup. Bridge pickup. Now we're going to turn the reverb to 0. No reverb. And we'll turn the bass, bass for number 9. Nice. We're going to turn the fat switch. I know it's already the fat switch now. This is the normal. So it's really loud. Put it very clean. This one will be the clean. Yeah, so that's the sound of the Fender Blues Junior 30th anniversary. Quite impressive.